Hello everyone, it's David at Grow and Eat This. It's April 21st. I'm in Lawrenceville, Georgia, which is northeast of Atlanta. 2 days ago in the morning it was 36 degrees by my garden thermometer. This morning it was 46, but the weather people say that cold weather is done. We're 50s and 60s in the morning. It is time finally to get this stuff outside. Look at the condition of these tomatoes. I have got so many tomatoes and they are ready to go. And Romas, little cherry tomatoes, all kinds of tomatoes, they are ready to go. We're going to start getting them in the ground today because I got another round of stuff starting up down here. And the sweet potatoes are moving along, so we'll be ready for those in a few more days. Then we move in here where the main setup is growing things, and here's the world of peppers. Boy, we got the peppers. They're ready to get outside also. So, and some squash. Lots of good stuff. There's some more squash. But it's the peppers that are important to me, because they're always starting to put up little flowers, and you gotta get those things off of there. These peppers are way too small to be trying to actually make a pepper. So, we're gonna get things moved outside and start getting things planted.